Alright, so we're driving in the police car, going to the police station because someone stole the camera. But riding a police car is kind of cool. Hi, my name is Kirs, and this is Kirs and a Camera. Except, I don't have a camera. So I'm filming this on my phone right now because today, at the Dimapur marketplace here in Nagaland, I lost my camera. So the story goes, we parked to go shopping. It was like a 15-minute stop, really quick. And I left my gear in the back of the car. And then so we went shopping, and then when we came back, someone had broken into the car and stole all my gear. So I lost my Canon T3i Rebel. I lost my camera mount and my microphone, my kit lens, my new f1.8 prime lens I just picked up, and my camera bag, which had everything else in it. So yeah, that sucks, losing all that gear. It's a pain. I can't document the rest of the trip because I don't have a camera. But the worst part is that I lost the footage that was on that camera, which is about 3 days worth of footage. So I just arrived from Uma yesterday, and so a lot of the footage that was on the camera was stuff about my grandparents there in Uma, my little cousins that are there, and that sucks because that stuff is priceless. You can't replace those images and those videos. Like my little cousins, all I get to do is see them in these little snapshots when they're growing up, when I come to visit them, and it's very infrequent, and they change so much every 2 years or every 3 years I come here, and so I try to remember them through these videos, and so I don't have that anymore. They took that from me. When they also took away my grandparents, who are getting older every day, and so I never know when the last time I visit will be the last time that I get to see them. And so I try to take these videos and pictures so I can immortalize them in some way online and through just having them on hand. A lot of the videos I take and pictures I take, I don't post on YouTube because they're very personal. And so those are all gone. And that sucks. So yeah, I guess what I'm kind of asking you guys is that if you are in the Dimapur area in Nagaland, keep an eye out for a Canon T3i Rebel. It's a very unique camera. It's unique to America in that they don't sell the Canon Rebel series here in India. It's called the Canon 600D instead of the Canon T3i Rebel. So if you do see that camera here, it is very unusual, and it probably is my camera. So if you could keep an eye out for my camera, as well as maybe share this video with your friends in Dimapur who might be looking for a camera online or wherever you look for cameras, used cameras here in Dimapur. But yeah, if I could find that camera, more specifically, if I could find the SD card inside with all my images, that'd be amazing. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Luckily, I do have a lot of other footage I backed up on my laptop, so I can still make awesome videos about my trip here, and it hasn't ruined my trip. I still had a great time, and I still will continue to share videos about Nagaland and the culture and the people who are living here, and so that hasn't stopped me there. What's funny is that I left about 50 Kirs and a Camera business cards in that camera bag, so the people who stole the camera, they might be checking out my channel. So if you're watching this, please return my SD card. You keep the camera. I just want my videos and my images back. Thanks. But yeah, please share this video to help me find this camera. Because I'm Kirs and no camera right now. I'm very sad. Kirs and 0 cameras. But yeah, signing off.